Hi students of class 3. Today in the maths class we will start exercise 4C. Last day we have done exercise 4B, addition of the numbers given in column, making the column and then adding the numbers. Number name is given, from there making the numeral, then writing them in column and then finding the sum. These sums we have done in the last class. Today we will do the what problem of exercise 4C, that is what problems of addition. Now let us see what are the sums and how we are writing the statements, how we are calculating the sums. Let's start the class. I think everyone is getting ready with the maths book, the CW copy and the pencil. So let's start the class. Now this is the first sum that we will do. That is the example of page number 28. I think everyone can see the sum clearly. In a village there are 54,326 men, 63,125 women and 13,462 children. What is the total population of the village? That means whenever it is given to find the total, that means we have to find the sum. Okay? So number of men is given, number of women is given, number of children is given. When we add these three numbers, we will get the total population of the village. Now let us start the sum. In this sum, writing the statement is equally important for as we do the calculation. Okay, the sum is already done over here, but we will not see that. We will do it on our own. Can we do that? Yes, obviously we can do that. Let's start. First statement will be number of men equals to 54,326. Number of women, that is 63,125. Number of children, that is 13,462. Now, therefore, total population equals to, give the addition sign here, then find the total as we find the sum. So what is the total? 6 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 2, 15. 5 is coming down, 1 will carry. Next, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. 1 will come down, 1 will go up. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. No carry is there. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. 0 will come down, 1 will go up as carry. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. Finish. So, the total population of the town, of the village is, that will be the answer. The total population of the village is 1,30,915. Okay everyone, now let us see the next example. Yes. There are 2,32,156 bags of wheat and 1,23,415 bags of rice in a godown. What is the total number of bags in the godown? I already told you, whenever it is needed to find the total, that means we have to do the addition. Here, number of wheat bags is given, number of rice bags are given. We have to find the total number of bags that is in the godown. So let's start the sum. Example number 2. Number of bags of wheat equals to 2,32,156. Number of bags of rice, that is 1,23,415. Therefore, total number of bags equals to, give the addition sign here, then find the total. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 will come down, 1 will go up as carry. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 4 plus 1, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. This is the total number of bags there in the godown. So, we will write the answer as the total number of bags in the godown is 3,55,571. Clear everyone, I think. Now, the 2 examples of the book we have already done. Now we will start the exercise 4C. Let us see what is the first sum. Exercise 4C, question number 1 we will do. Company A has 26,751 workers and company B has 25,421 workers. What is the total number of workers in the 2 companies? Total means, I already told you, whenever need to find the total, that means addition. Addition of the total workers of the 2 companies. So let us start the sum. Yes. Number of workers in company A equals to 26,751. Okay, everyone? Yes. Number of workers in company B equals to 25,421. Clear? Therefore, total number of workers equal to, give the addition sign, then find the total. Let us find it. 1 plus 1, 2. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 coming down, 1 is carry. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 2 is coming down, 1 is carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. This is the total number of workers in the two companies. So, now we will write the answer. The total number of workers in the two companies is 52,172. Okay, now let us see the next sum. Question number 2 of exercise 4C. A cafe sold 3,63,581 pastries and 3,57,460 burgers in a year. Altogether, how many of these two items did the cafe sell? How many altogether? Now another word is coming, altogether. Altogether means same. We have to find the addition. That means the sum of these two items. Okay. Whenever there is total, there is altogether, this kind of words, we will find the total. That means the sum of the given numbers. So here pastries are there, some burgers are there, and we have to find the total number of two items that the cafe has sold. Let's see how we are doing this. Question number 2. Okay, now the first statement will be number of pastries 3,63,581. Number of burgers 3,57,460. Therefore, total number of items sold equals to, give the addition sign, then do the addition. 1 plus 0, 1. 8 plus 6, 14. 4 is down, 1 is up. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 0 down, 1 is up. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. 1 is coming down, 1 is going up. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 2 is coming down, 1 is going up. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. So, the total number of items sold by the cafe is 7,21,041. Okay, now let us write the answer. The cafe sold at 7,21,041 items in a year. Now, in this problem, what problems? 3 things are very important. Writing the statement, doing the calculation, and then writing the answer. So whenever in the examination you are doing the what problems, be very careful that you are writing the statements proper, because the statements carry marks. You are doing the calculation correct because it also carry the marks. Okay, all the statements carry marks, and for doing the calculation correct is also carrying the marks. So be very careful whenever doing the what problems. Now today's CW work we have done exercise 4C question 1 2 and page 28 example 1 and 2. This is the CW work. HW is same as CW, that is exercise 4C question 1 and 2 and page 28 example 1 2. You will do this homework in the math CW copy. Okay, as you finish your HW and CW work, please don't forget to send me for correction at dphjhelpdesk@gmail.com. And if you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. So stay at home, stay healthy. Please finish your work on time. Don't forget to send it to me for correction. And bye-bye.